What if one helicopter could take off like a chopper, but fly like a jet? A machine so advanced, it blurs the line between helicopter and fighter aircraft. This isn't science fiction. This is the Bell V-280 Valor, a symbol of the next generation in American air dominance. Developed by Bell Textron, the V-280 Valor was born from one question: how can we move faster, farther, and stronger than ever before? With its revolutionary tilt-rotor design, the Valor can cruise at 280 knots, nearly twice the speed of a Black Hawk. It's not just a helicopter, it's a hybrid beast engineered for the future battlefield. Twin General Electric T-64 engines roar to life, turning massive rotors that lift this machine with unmatched stability and control. Whether it's rapid troop insertion, medevac, or deep strike missions, the Valor can do it all. And with advanced fly-by-wire systems and digital flight controls, every move is precise, every second counts. In combat, speed is survival. The V-280's agility allows it to dodge threats, land in tight zones, and escape enemy fire faster than any helicopter ever built. Equipped with advanced sensors and networked battlefield intelligence, it's not just flying, it's thinking. The Bell V-280 Valor isn't just replacing the old fleet, it's redefining what's possible in the sky. With a range of over 2,100 nautical miles and a cruise altitude of 6,000 feet, it bridges the gap between helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft. It can carry troops, deliver supplies, and provide support, all while keeping the speed and reach of a modern fighter. As the US Army moves towards the future of warfare, the V-280 stands ready, a symbol of innovation, precision, and unstoppable American engineering. The future of vertical lift is no longer coming. It's already here. If you're inspired by the evolution of air power, don't forget to subscribe to JetForce News for more incredible military aviation stories, where technology meets dominance and the sky is never the limit.